this question, we need to find the least possible number which can be divided by 32, 36 and 40. Again, using the Euclid formula, A is equal to BQ plus R, where when we divide A by B, we get a quotient Q and remainder R. Let that number is capital N. It will be equal to 32 times Q1 plus 0, using this only. Remainder would be 0, that is N equal to 32 Q1. Similarly, N would be equal to 36 Q2 and N is equal to 40 Q3. So we can easily observe that N is nothing but multiple of 32, 36 and 40 as well. Therefore, N will be nothing but LCM of 32, 36 and 40. Why LCM? Because we are asked about least possible number. So which you will get 1440, right? What is the least possible number which when divided by 24, 32 or 42? In each case it leaves remainder 5. Again, let that number is capital N. It can be written as 24 Q1 plus 5. Similarly, N can be written as 32 Q2 plus 5 and N can be written as 42 Q3 plus 5. That is, N minus 5 will be equal to 24 Q1. N minus 5 is equal to 32 Q2 and N minus 5 is equal to 42 Q3. Now we can see that N minus 5 is a multiple of 24, 32 and 42 as well. Therefore, N minus 5 is equal to LCM because least possible number is asked, 24, 32, 42. Therefore, N will be equal to LCM of 24, 32, 42 plus 5, which in turn will be equal to 672 plus 5, that is 677. This will be the answer. What is the least possible number which when divided by 18, 35 or 42, it leaves 2, 19 and 26 as remainders respectively? So what we can do, we can write N, let that number is N, which is 18 times Q1 plus 2. It is again N is equal to 35 times Q2 plus 19 and N is 42 times Q3 plus 26. That is, we have to now evaluate N from these three equations. So what I would do, I will make 18 over here, 35 over here and 26 over here. To make 18 here, I need to add 16. So I will get 18 Q1 plus 18. Here I will get again N plus 16 is equal to 35 Q2 plus 35. And here again N plus 16 is equal to 42 Q3 plus 42. And this will be equal to 18 times Q1 plus 1. This is equal to 35 times Q2 plus 1. And this is equal to 42 times Q3 plus 1. That is, N plus 16 is multiple of 18. So 18 times say M1, that it is equal to 35 times M2. And this is equal to 42 times M3. So N plus 16 is multiple of 18, 35 and 42. And we are asked about least possible number. So we will take LCM of 18, 35 and 42. So N plus 16 is equal to 630, that is N is equal to 614. Now this is the method how we are getting actually, but you can have a shortcut also. The shortcut came from here only, from this method only. Now what is the shortcut? Shortcut is like see the difference between divisors and the remainders. 18 minus 2 is 16. Again 35 minus 19 is 16, and 42 minus 26 is again 16. So when the difference is same, which is equal to 16, so our answer would be LCM of 18, 35 and 42 minus 16. This, after some practice, you can use directly as a trick. Now let again that number is capital N. So N can be written as 13 times Q1 plus 3, and also N can be written as 5 times Q2 plus 2. Now there is no such common thing, so what we'll do, this implies comparing RHS of both. 13 times Q1 plus 3 is equal to 5 times Q2 plus 2. So 13 times Q1 plus 1 divided by 5 will be equal to Q2. Now find integral value of Q2 for different values of Q1. Say for Q1 equal to 1, Q1 equal to 2, Q1 equal to 3, Q1 equal to 4, and so on, right? So for Q1 equal to 1, we have 14 by 5 is equal to Q2, which is clearly not an integer. Similarly, for Q1 equal to 2, we have 27 by 5 Q2, so which is again not an integer. Now it will be 40 by 5 when Q1 is 3, Q2 is 8. That means N Q2 is equal to 8. So now we can put it over here, or any of our N is equal to 5 times 8 plus 2, that is 40 plus 2, 42. So this is the answer, and we can also have next number in the sequence will be LCM, or rather multiple of LCM of 13 and 5 plus 42. Although we need to answer this only, this is our answer for the question.